This is a free throw, offensive rebound. 10 on the shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. Ball stolen. Turnover. It will be Japan possession. Here's Hiroshi. Kumaita with a shot. With a top iron, batting for the rebound. Burgos again with the possession. Off to the ball fake. Yasser's attacks, hand off. Gets another rebound, wala pa rin. Third try, nagtitigil na. And it's a foul. Foul that time, foul for play number 4. It's Akira Natori. Here's Nixon. 3 minutes 40 seconds remaining. 8-6 ang ating score. Dalawang puntos sa kalabangan for Japan. And Nixon with the drive. Ties the ball game at all 8. 4 points in the ball game para kay Nixon Burgos. At this exhibition game. Kodaka with a cross court para kay Nator with an open shot. Batting for the rebound. Never, ito sabi ako. 8 all ang ating score. Yasser attacks, hand off, Burgos on the gas. Ready for substitution. Papasok na yung mga taga-Japan. And there's a substitution. New sets of players for Japan. Was affected out. The ball would stay. Shot clock 30 seconds. Goes Japan. Possession. Here's Aruga. Good shot. No. Kobayashi off the glass. First 2 points. Here's Yasser. Look at it. Off to Nixon. Cross court. Ball stolen. On the outlet. Goes all the way. Crosses. Apat ang taga-Japan, walang nakadepensa. Mukhang sasala pa rin. And that time, pinagawa niya lang yung depensa. 2 points para kay Takumi Karaoka. Burgos trying to make an answer. Layup. Won't call.